Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, if we do not use our Gmail password for a long time, we may forget it. If you have also forgotten your Gmail password, watch this video till the end. In this video, I will show you how to change your Gmail password if you forgot it. So to learn the full process, keep watching this video till the end. So let us get started. First of all, open your Gmail application. Click on the profile icon at the top of the screen. Now, click on Manage your Google account. Then scroll down and here you will see the Google Password option. Tap on it. Now, use your phone security password to continue. After that, create a new password and type it again. Then, click on Change Password. Again, click on Change Password. That is it. Now, your Google account password has been successfully changed. So friends, this is the way you can change your Gmail account password if you forgot it. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.